Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to a new China phone tutorial. So today I want to show you how to install a CWM recovery on every China phone. Therefore, your phone has to be rooted and you need to have a backup from your current ROM, which you can make in MTK Droid tools. If you need a tutorial on that, you can find it on my channel. Okay, so you need to have a USB cable, a PC, MTK Droid tools, and a phone with root access. When you have got that, you can start with creating a CWM image, and that is what we will do right now. Okay guys, so we're now on the computer and now you have to download the necessary software. So you need to have MTK Droid tools. This should be already on your PC if you have made the backup, but if you don't have it, the link is in the description. And you need to have an MTK Droid tools backup of your smartphone, which should be in the backup folder of MTK Droid tools. In there should be the boot image and all that stuff here, so that's how an MTK Droid tools backup looks like. Okay, now we can connect the phone to the computer using the USB cable, so I will do this here right now. Okay, so I have now connected the phone, and now we go to Start, Control Panel, and System, and here we open up the Device Manager. And now you have to make sure that USB debugging on your phone is enabled. If you don't know how to do that, there's a short tutorial in the description which tells you how to do that. And then Windows should automatically install some drivers for your phone. So my phone is recognized as Yun OS ADB interface. And if that doesn't work, then just install the drivers for your phone manually. And after that, you run MTK Droid tools as administrator. And now just wait until MTK Droid tools detects your phone. This can take some time, and if it doesn't detect your phone, make sure USB debugging is enabled, the correct drivers are installed, and your phone has root access. Now check out the left bottom corner if you can see a yellow or a green box. If it is yellow, you have to press the root button right over here. Here you go to yes, and then MTK Droid tools tries to get temporary root shell access on your phone. And that is really important, because without root shell access you cannot install CWM. And if your phone can't be rooted like this, make sure that your phone is rooted correctly with Shame, and also install the Super SU application from the Google Play Store from Chainfire, and then it should work without a problem. When the box turns green and you have root shell access, you switch to the Root Backup and Recovery tab, and here you select to choose Boot Image File. Then you click on Recovery and Boot. And now you have to point to the boot image from your backup. Therefore, you go to the backup folder which contains all your backup files from your smartphone and choose the boot image. Then hit the open button, and here we'll see to make CWM recovery automatically, just hit the yes button. And after the CWM image is created, you will get this message. So basically that asks you if you want to install a modified boot image to your smartphone, because sometimes after the installation of the CWM recovery, your smartphone refuses to boot. So it's highly recommended to install this patch boot. And if your phone doesn't boot after that, you have to flash that with the SP Flash tool. And here you go to install created recovery to phone. Okay, so now it's installing the custom recovery, and now you can reboot into the recovery or press no and disconnect your phone. And now you're done with installing the CWM recovery. Okay, so I've now disconnected and turned off the phone, and now let's try to enter the CWM recovery. Therefore, you have to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and keep holding them until you are in the recovery. Also, try to connect your charger to the phone if you cannot get into the recovery, because that's a common issue that you can't boot into the CWM recovery. I don't know why, but for me it only works with the charger connected. And you can also install MTK Toolbox from the Google Play Store and boot with that application directly into the CWM recovery. So here you have a closer look on the CWM recovery menu, and you can go with the volume up and volume down key here through the options. And if you want to enter any of those options, just press the power button. And yeah, basically that's it. That's your CWM recovery. So this was my short tutorial on how to install CWM recovery on every China phone. And if you have problems, make sure that you have the latest version of MTK Droid tools installed on your PC, that your phone has correct root access, and that you have the correct drivers installed for your smartphone, and also that USB debugging is enabled on your phone. Basically, that's it, and if you have questions, then feel free to visit chinadevices.com. The link is in the description. Then just register, make a new thread, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. So as always guys, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you again in my next videos. Bye bye.